Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to clear your TikTok watch history in 2025. Whether you're tidying up your feed or just want more control over what TikTok recommends, this quick method works both on iPhone and Android, and you don't need to download anything extra. Open the TikTok app, make sure you're logged in into the right account. Once you're in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right. This opens the menu, then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Activity Center. This is where TikTok tracks things like your search and watch history. Then tap Watch History. Here you'll see your full watch history from the last 7 days. At the top right, tap Select to select which video you want to delete or click the Select All Watch History to clear all of it. Then tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm when prompted, and boom, your watch history is now gone. And that's it. Your TikTok watch history is cleared. If your feed feels a little off, give it a scroll. TikTok will start fresh based on what you watch next.